How to make alarm louder on iPhone. So when we check our volume here, you can see that this is on its maximum level already. But if we check on the volume of the alarm and try to listen to the ringtone, you can hear that it's not that loud. So what we need to do is go back to our home page, click on settings, scroll down and click on sound and haptics. In this page, you can see that my ringer and alerts is not on its maximum settings. So what you can do is slide this circle and increase the volume from here. You will hear that the alarm will be louder. Now take note that the volume of your ringtone for your messages and any other notifications will increase as well. Now if you want to adjust the volume of your alarm with your volume up and volume down button beside your device, just turn this toggle on and your alarm volume will now depend on this one. So that is how you make alarm louder on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.